How to install the mode of semi-automatic block machine QT 4-40 chain. First, install the lower mode and the 4 lower springs. Second, install the back and front motors. Remember to put a board on top of the lower mode to prevent the upper mode drops. Third, install the upper mode. Let the screw inside the springs. Install the 4 upper springs. Fourth, install the upper motor. Then can test the motion